Welcome on board Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. I want to bring this video to you today to show you our accommodations.
Yes, and what kind of stateroom do we have today?
The one that people have been requesting to see on Royal Caribbean, a balcony. And we're on deck 6, and it's not just a balcony. It's what people call a hump balcony. Come along and join us as we show you all throughout our room. And for our particular room, we are on deck 6, just by the midship elevator, on the starboard side, room 6318. Let's head inside.
Hey,
hello.
Come on in.
And this is what it looks like right when you enter. So let's start with the entryway. Right when we come in, we have our door with our deadbolt lock. The magnet you can flip to let them know to clean your room, or if you're sleeping and to be left alone. Safety information, your peephole. This switch controls the main lighting throughout the cabin. We do have some hooks to hang things up here. They also put the breakfast menu ordering forms there as well. This is the light switch for the bathroom, which we'll get to in just a minute. And then this is just a little cutout for the handle of the door to go into. Now, when we look on this side, we see our life jacket symbol there that will glow in the dark to let us know that inside the closet is where we can find our life jackets. But not just that, we have a pull-down bar here. We're going to hang some additional things, but of course we have our main hanging space up top. Pants hangers, shirt hangers included. Plenty of shelves in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lots of space down below to put your bags. And they even have the laundry bag and laundry service forms in here as well. And then up top there's even a little bit of a storage space. You can slide some things up there if need be. Just to the other side of the closet, I mentioned the light switch for the bathroom. I'm going to open the door here and we'll head inside, and this is going to be your standard Royal Caribbean bathroom, the rounded shower with the removable shower head, adjustable shower head, as well the 2-in-1 hair and body wash. You have the handle there, the bar soap rack, or maybe like a razor rack or something like that, anything you want to put in there really. There is not like a little foot rest as we've seen in other ones though, but it is the standard bubble door double slider there. Down below we have the toilet, and up above that we have a rack, some shelving there. We have our standard towel racks right next to that, hand and body. And then we have our vanity sink area, pretty standard, trash can down below, additional towels, toilet paper, all that fun stuff. And here we have glasses and holders there. This side of the mirror will actually open up, and we can find 1, 2, 3 shelves inside. Some fun lighting up above. And other than that, it's a 3-sided mirror. And that's that for the bathroom, except in the back of the door we do have some hangers. Coming out of the bathroom into the rest of the room, first thing we have on the side here is the desk area with chair, and there is a trash can tucked down beneath. This is also kind of like a tri-mirror situation. You see the lights that are built in. That's controlled by this switch here, right next to these standard 120 volt outlets. And on this side, we have the 220 outlet right there. I don't think these do anything anymore. I think that's old school kind of stuff. And an announcement channel volume control. I don't even know that that does anything. The announcements have all been outside that we've heard so far, so we're not...
Yeah, we haven't even heard them in the stateroom. Once again, I think that's old school thing that doesn't even function anymore.
I wouldn't worry too much about it. Now, back to the mirrors. They do open up on both sides here. So you can see you have the shelf, 1, 2, and then 3 additional glass shelves. And it's the same on this side. It opens up the wooden shelf down below. 1, 2, 3 glass shelves built in right there. And then over to the side, we do have the thermostat controlling the AC or heat for the entire cabin. Down below, we do have drawers on either side, a small skinny one at the top, and then 3 larger ones. It's the same thing over here. I'll give you an idea of how big they are, except the little one here contains the hair dryer. That should be in every stateroom. We'll pull the chair out because there's another drawer here in the middle which contains some tissues and the room service menus, as well as some health and safety information. As you can see, they've put some additional health and safety information, as well as masks, disposable mask, and hand sanitizer in the room because, of course, COVID-19 protocol. Turning away from the desk next to the bathroom, we do have the full-length mirror built into the wall, and then we have
a little couch.
A little couch. This does not convert to a bed. This is just a sofa.
No, but you can pull the little armrests off.
Yeah.
It's Velcroed. But I don't know why you would need to do that, so we haven't done that.
We haven't done that. Wall light there, as well as the light up above. Again, controlled by the switch right when you come in, or the switch next to the bed. Ah! Those lights above the bed have their own switches built in, so we'll get to those in just a second. Next to the couch and below that main switch, we do have the one nightstand, which has the phone and a small drawer and a cubby. On the other side of the bed, no phone, but we do have the small drawer and the cubby. And then we have the bed set up as the Royal King, right. But of course you can convert that to two twins, spread them out just like Chelsy just showed you, and then the two nightstands go together in the middle to make one big one. Above the bed we have the two wall-mounted lights, as well as some nice art. As I mentioned, these have their own switches on the side, or you can click the other one on the side for the other side for the reading light. Turning back around, we see some nice wall art over there as well. But the rest of our, now we're kind of going away from the desk, more like the entertainment center area, I guess you could say. Up top we have some cabinets with two shelves. Just below that is another cabinet that contains the in-room safe with the instructions on how to operate that, and don't think you get a laptop in there, but tablet,
maybe if
jewelry,
it's diagonal.
Maybe, and a smaller one for sure. And then we have our television, which does come out from the wall, and it does turn and face the bed, or turn and face the bathroom or couch, wherever you want to point it. It goes that direction. The last thing in this area is this cabinet, which we open up and we find the mini fridge. Now, as we pass the rest of this wall art that I mentioned, you'll see a light switch here. That is for the light on the balcony. Before we go out, I did want to mention that they do have the thick blackout curtain, as well as the thinner, like, day shears. And now the last part of the room, the balcony, which requires this large handle to be turned like that for you to open the sliding glass door as such. And we step out onto the balcony. Now this one is a little bit different than other balconies because you do have this solid white wall down below. It's not clear plexiglass. There's a lot of white wall up here too. As we mentioned, this is a Hump balcony room on deck 6. You do have this divider between the balconies, which I don't believe opens up. It doesn't look like it opens up in any way. I may be mistaken on that, but I don't see it. But yeah, you still have a balcony, still have a great view, still get plenty of fresh air. And it does come with these two chairs, which can recline back, 1 and 2, as well as the table in the middle. And they're very nice height, up higher than some other ones we've seen. So you can still sit and see out, take in the view, enjoy the fresh air, the mist and the salt blowing in your face and blowing the wind. Alright friends, that is going to do it for today's room tour. It's pretty standard fare, but standard fare ain't bad, especially when there's a balcony attached. We chose this location because it is right off the elevator, which is super handy, and it's just on deck 6, so you go down 1 flight of stairs to deck 5, and the promenade's right there. Get some grub or drink at the cafe promenade. So
yeah, that's been really convenient. We really like this location for this cruise, and the noise has not been loud at all, and yeah, we've really liked this room.
If you're interested in sailing on Adventure of the Seas or in a balcony cabin or with Royal Caribbean in general, we can help make that happen for you as travel agents. It would be our pleasure, and it's completely free, complimentary to use our services, so we would love to help make that happen. Feel free to reach out via that travel agent information. It's in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for joining us today. We're off to have some fun on this ship. We hope we'll see you along the way. Thanks for joining us. Until next time,
happy travels!